दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello everyone and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, today I am back with another amazing concept which is so unique and growing rapidly in the market. This concept is legally registered and this is a government certified company. So the name of this concept or this business plan is Smartway Digimart Traders and its official website is www.smartwaydigi.com. For more additional information you can also visit its website. So in this today's video we will discuss completely about the business plan of this Smartway Digimart Traders. So starting from the about of the company, when we talk about their profile, so they are one of the best marketing agencies and software developer with a proficient team that is well equipped with the advanced technologies through which we draft compelling content that draws the audience's attention. Also, the digital marketing had drastically improved within a short time with attractive and interactive marketing templates. They prepare and share with their clients whoever avail our services. Now moving ahead, when we talk about the registration process of the company, so here you can do your registration for free of cost. Only you have to pay a task fees of 1000 rupees. So now when we talk about the types of income which the company is offering to you, so here you can avail with 7 types of income, out of which the first one is daily self-task income, the second one is direct referral level income, third one is renewable referral income, fourth one is pins franchisee income, fifth direct referral rewards, sixth fast track royalty, and the seventh and the last type of income is awards and rewards. Now when we talk about the first type of income, that is the daily self-task income, here by performing some daily tasks you will get rupees 25 up to 80 days. Even your customer also get rupees 25 up to 80 days. Also after that you can renew this one and get the same income after 80 days also. So now when we talk about the second type of income, that is the direct referral income. So here in level 1 you get rupees 25 up to 80 days on each referral. After that in level 2 you get 5 rupees up to 80 days as referral income. After that in level 3 you get 4 rupees up to 80 days as referral income. After that in level 4 you get 2 rupees daily up to 80 days as your referral income. And after that in level 5th, level 6 and level 7 you get 1 rupee daily up to 80 days as your total referral income. Now let us take the example for the same. So here when we take the example of 5x5 matrix plan, so here in level 1 when the total number of IDs under your referral is 5, then you get 25 rupees from them each. So your total income from here becomes 125 rupees per day, which you get up to 80 days. So from here your total earning becomes 10,000 rupees in the level 1. Then in level 2 when there are total 25 number of IDs in your referral, so you get 5 rupees from them each. So at the end of the day your total income from here becomes 125 rupees, which you get up to 80 days. So your total earning from here becomes 10,000 rupees. Similarly in level 3 when there are total 125 number of IDs registered under your referral, so you get rupees 4 from them each. So at the end of the day your total income from here becomes 500 rupees, which you get up to 80 days. So the total earning of this level becomes 40,000 rupees. The similar procedure continues for all other levels, and up to level 7 you can earn up to 62,50,000 rupees. Now after this we are going to talk about the next type of income, which is pins franchisee. So here in this income when you buy 20 pins you get 1 pin extra. When you buy 60 pins from here you get 3 pins extra. And when you buy 120 pins you get 7 pins extra. Now we are going to talk about the next type of income, that is the direct referral rewards. So in this income you can get many amazing rewards on your direct referral IDs. So let us understand this with the help of an example. Here on your first 100 direct IDs you get a reward of a smartphone which is worth rupees 10,000. Then in the next 500 direct IDs, you get a laptop as reward worth rupees 35,000. After that, on the next 1000 direct IDs, you get a Royal Enfield bike as reward worth rupees 1,50,000. Then on the next 3000 direct IDs, you get a car worth rupees 4 lakh. Then after that, on the next 6000 direct IDs, you get gold worth rupees 6 lakh. Then on the next 10,000 IDs, you get a luxury car worth rupees 13 lakh. And on the next 20,000 direct IDs, you get a villa worth rupees 1 crore. Now we are going to talk about the seventh and last type of income, that is the fast track royalty. So here in this type of income, you have to complete 10 direct IDs within 3 days from joining, and you can get royalty of 1% CTO on monthly basis. So these were the complete details about the types of income and the most amazing business plan of the SmartWay Digimark traders. Now along with all the types of income and its benefits, the company also have some terms and conditions, which are that the payout withdrawal is on daily basis, which is IMPS basis. Here the withdrawal timings are 10 AM to 12 PM only. Get all type of incomes from Monday to Friday only. Here minimum withdrawal is rupees 500, or you can generate pins also. Here 10% deduction is done for service plus admin charges. Also TDS will be deducted when income crosses 5 lakh rupees. This is purely task working business plan, and one person can take 11 IDs, but he or she should have 11 WhatsApp numbers for the same. Daily task is mandatory for getting daily income. Total 7 direct IDs are compulsory for getting the 7 levels income. Customers should go through all TNC. Also here task fees amount is non-refundable. So these were the details about the most amazing and unique business plan. Now you can register your joinings as fast as you can, so that you can get all the benefits for the same. For registration, you can also visit its website, which is www.smartwaydigi.com. At last, I want to say you that you must first think, consider and then decide. So thank you for being with us throughout the video, and stay safe.